In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and configure single sign-on, or SSO, in your Salesforce organization. This will allow your users to log in seamlessly, enhancing both security and user experience. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Let's dive in. First, let's start by navigating to the Setup menu in your Salesforce organization. Look for the Quick Find box, which is your go-to resource for locating various settings and features within Salesforce. Here, you want to type in Single Sign-On Settings. Once it appears in the search results, go ahead and select it. On this page, you'll see a button labeled Edit. Click on it, and it will allow you to check the option for SAML enabled. This step is crucial because enabling SAML is the foundation of setting up SSO in Salesforce. After checking this box, make sure you click Save to apply your changes. Now that we've enabled SAML, the next step is to configure SSO within your My Domain settings. Head back to the Setup area if you navigated away, and again use the Quick Find box, this time searching for My Domain. Select this option, and once there, keep an eye out for the section labeled Authentication Configuration. You'll see an edit link right next to it. Click on that edit link, and Salesforce will present you with a list of identity providers you might have already configured. Choose the appropriate identity provider for your organization. This is what Salesforce will use to authenticate users attempting to log in via SSO. And of course, make sure to hit Save after making your selection. With those configurations in place, it's time to create a SAML single sign-on setting. Head back to the Single Sign-On Settings page where we started and look for the new link. Click it to create a new SSO setting. Here you'll be required to fill in several key fields. You'll need specific information from the identity provider you've chosen, so having that information ready is quite important. After entering all the necessary details, save your settings to finalize this part of the setup. Lastly, it's crucial to test your SSO configuration to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, log into your Salesforce org as usual. Navigate to your My Domain settings and find the login URL. Copy this URL, then open it in a new browser window or in incognito mode for a clean test environment. You should either see your identity provider's login page or notice a new SSO login button on the Salesforce login page, depending on how you configured it. Now enter your credentials to ensure the single sign-on functionality works as expected. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully configured single sign-on in your Salesforce organization, making secure access more efficient for users. If you encounter any issues, double-check each setting or consult Salesforce support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.